Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to knit 2-1 LPC and 2-1 RPC without using a cable needle. As you can see, the cables are oriented to the left and right. First, let's knit the 2-1 LPC. Work 2 knit stitches and 1 purl stitch. Bring the yarn to the back and slip the 2 knit stitches from the left needle to the right needle without knitting them. Purl 1 stitch. To knit the slipped knit stitches, insert the left needle into the front of the knit stitches. While holding the purl stitch with your left hand, remove the right needle from all 3 stitches, then return the purl stitch to the right needle. Knit the 2 stitches that you just moved to the left needle. Now the 2-1 LPC is complete and the cable is oriented to the left. Next, let's knit the 2-1 RPC. Work 1 purl stitch and 2 knit stitches. Bring the yarn to the front and slip the first purl stitch from the left needle to the right needle without knitting it. Then knit the next 2 stitches. To work the slipped purl stitch, insert the left needle into the back of the purl stitch. While holding the 2 knit stitches with your left hand, remove the right needle from all 3 stitches, then return the 2 knit stitches to the right needle. Purl 1 stitch that you just moved to the left needle. Now the 2-1 RPC